Here's a classic import at Unique, especially in classics. 1967 Mercedes-Benz 250 SL Pagoda. Hard top and soft top convertible. Go ahead and take a look at this front. Chrome grille, headlight surrounds. This car powered by a 2.5 liter inline 6 underneath the hood. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you'll be able to see this car with the hard top on it, the soft top up, engine bay, interior. Take your time looking through the pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Has had a repaint to silver. If you take a look at the data tag, VIN tag, you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. A two-tone granite taupe interior. Stock looking dash with the exception of the Sony aftermarket stereo that was added. Paint shows well. There's a few little blemishes here and there. Going to point out as we go around, but one of those, get in, drive it, have some fun, top down. Definitely not one you're going to see every day. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a chance to take a look at the rear chrome on this car. It also comes with a service manual. There's also some service records and a manila envelope that will also go along with it. At the end of the video here, we'll put up the soft top, let you check that out. Original soft top, this vehicle is actually in the same family as far as ownership for a little over the past 30 years before coming to us. And once again, still pictures, so you can see this car top to bottom, inside and out, all the tops. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Here's a little ding over here on the driver's door. Been touched up. We'll fire it up here too so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Of course, the soft top will fold up from underneath the tonneau cover, and the release for that is right here with this handle, FYI. And we'll put that up at the end of this video so you can check it out. We'll probably slip the hard top on there so you can see that also. All right, believed to be original miles, 86,590. So what the odometer reads. Unfortunately, once the car is so old, the miles do not stick with the title. It becomes exempt from mileage readings, so you get marked exempt. See, it starts easily. I have had the blower fan working also. You can see the fuel gauge. Here's it is working. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to come up. The red light you see, there's probably a generator because it's on the low idle. Let it warm up here just a tad. Take a look at the rest of the dash. 2.5 liter would be paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, FYI. Slip around the back so you can hear it run. Cool sounding car. Again, inline 6, so they were torquey. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll examine those tops. Here's that inline 6. Of course, these were fuel injected back in 1967. You can see right here. Or data plate, if you will, right here, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. VIN plate also will be pictured in the still pictures. Get an idea what the engine looks like from the passenger side. Where the intake's at. All right. And again, pictures of the engine bay, undersides, interior, trunk, all with the still pictures. Let's go ahead and put the soft top up. We'll check that out, and we'll wrap up the video with the hard top. And here we go with the soft top up. So black vinyl, a few little wear spots as far as keeping you out of the sun or dry. I don't think you're gonna have any problem with that. And really, how often does a guy drive this with the top up? Just if you get caught in a little rain shower, it'll be just fine. As you can see, rear window is plastic but clear, easy to see through. A little wear around the edges, but overall fits nicely. Again, considering the age, nice shape, nice tight fit up front. Again, serve the purpose. You need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. All right, so that's the soft top, and we'll do one last one so you can see the car with the hard top on it also.
Today we're driving a 1967 Mercedes 250 SL Pagoda. This is a convertible with soft top and a hard top. Getting used to finding those gears. Smooth runner and actually shifts good. Turn signal indicators work. You do have to shut them off manually. Gauges are reading the fuel tank, oil pressure, engine temperature. Engine temperature is under 180. Oil pressure is over 30.
Even made his way.
Radio does work. Blower fan does work. The wipers do work. Our tachometer is not reading. Is reading. We're up to 60 miles an hour. Maybe a little tire vibration, which could honestly be from just sitting. Straight down the road, doesn't pull at all. Feels like it brakes straight. I'm a little over 6 foot and I do fit in this car, even though the steering wheel is fairly large.
And last but not least, hardtop installed. Fits nice above the windshield. Latches for locking it on, everything work flawlessly. So with the soft top and the hard top, black over silver, as you can see, both cases. There's the paint on it. It kind of, again, shows its age a little bit, kind of similar to the paint in the car, but overall, nice collectible Mercedes here. There you go. Hardtop also. So 1967 Mercedes-Benz 250 SL Pagoda. Soft top, hard top, convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it.